is a pretty cool find. This is the Make It Mini Appliance. And there's several different appliances that come with this set. This comes with this small instruction sheet and I guess you could say a catalog that shows you how to use the resin. This particular one is the soda fountain, and there's also an espresso machine, another soda machine or boba machine, and a juice dispenser. It'd be cool to get all 4 sets. I think that'd be neat. And I guess they come in different colors as well. The set has 2 different dispenser things, one for the soda and then one for the ice. This comes with a resin that you could put in this section. Probably have to take the lid off. But this resin container looks pretty cool. It kind of looks like a little bottle. This is another thing. I don't know if I'm going to ever use the resin or just set it aside somewhere. This is a bag of ice. You can pour the ice in this small section here, and then when you push the ice button, it dispenses the ice. That is pretty cool. I don't think I'll ever use the resin feature of it, but this set seems pretty cool. The cups easily fit underneath the dispenser, and you could actually dispense the ice right into the cup. It comes with a small little lid, fits on top of the cups really well. The cups are a little big for G.I.Joe, unless they're like a jumbo size cup. It also comes with a couple of straws that are actually pre-wrapped, so you have to open them. And then the straws actually fit into the top of the soda this cup. And it also has this pretty cool cup holder. I thought that was pretty neat. There's an instruction sheet that tells you how to use the resin and a few other features. I think it'd be really cool to have a set of these set up on a countertop or something. I think it'd make a great break room or cafeteria or something like that. This one didn't come with a UV light, so you have to put your resin out in the sun for it to cure. This resin bottle's pretty cool. I'll probably just keep it the way it is. Here's a closer look at the ice cubes. They're pretty small, relatively scale size for 1/6 scale ice cubes. Thought that was pretty interesting. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this Miniverse Make It Mini Appliances. Drop a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to click that like button, share this video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.